Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Physics Wala. Good evening. How are you everyone? Just do the comments. Okay. Hello, hello. How are you? So today in this session, we are going to discuss about the most important basic of our chemistry. And you know, the most important thing in the chemistry is organic, right? And organic is known as the language of chemistry. That is the organic nomenclature. So in this today's session, we are going to discuss about the foundation of our class 12. That is very, very required for our class 12th and class 11th. So we'll be discussing that. We already learned in class 10, right? Like the nomenclature, IUPAC naming, everything we learned in class 10. That's like a base, right? Just small, like 5 or 6 functional groups we have discussed. But today we are going to discuss some more deeper, like how we can name and the rules. Like lot of rules are there to name the organic compounds, right? And there are lot of organic compounds. Can we count? Why we cannot count that? Because everything around is made up of carbon. And what is the organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is a branch of chemistry that deals with the study of carbon and carbon compounds, right? So can you comment what is organic and why it is important? Anyone? Okay. So why it is important? Organic chemistry is very, very important, right? Why it is important in our day-to-day life? Because why? Anyone? It is very important. Why? Because everything that we use, it is made up of what? Carbon. That's why it is very difficult to name the carbon compounds. That's why we have set up a rules to name the organic compounds, and it's based upon IUPAC naming. That is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry has set up a different set of rules. Based on the rules, we are going to name the organic compounds. So today's session, we are going to discuss about the organic compounds nomenclature and its IUPAC and how we are going to name the organic compounds. Okay, so can we start? So we can begin the session. So we can directly go to our first topic, that is organic compounds nomenclature and IUPAC. And you are familiar with IUPAC, the full form of IUPAC, and what does it mean by nomenclature also we know. What is my nomenclature? If there is a new baby, what we will do? After some days, we will give some name for that baby, right? Like that, organic compounds, we are going to give name. Compounds, right? For that purpose, we are going to give a name for that compounds. That is mean by nomenclature, naming the organic compound. Okay, so you got it right? Organic nomenclature. Then, and we are going to give the name for the I want to start from beginning. Hi, hello everyone. Is that everything is clear? Audio is clear, right? Lag is there? Now it is okay, right? You can see me, you can hear me, right? Please do comment. Okay, can we start? So today we are going to discuss about the organic nomenclature and IUPAC. We have already discussed that what is my nomenclature, giving a name for that organic compound based on the rules set up by IUPAC. And what is IUPAC? So we can check what is IUPAC. IUPAC system of nomenclature. IUPAC means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. They have set up a set of rules. Based on the rules, we are going to give name for the organic compounds. A systematic method of naming that has been developed and is known as IUPAC. IUPAC means what? International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry System of Nomenclature. So we are following the IUPAC naming, and in the systematic nomenclature, the names are correlated with the structure such that the reader or listener can deduce a structure from the name. If a name is given, we can draw the structure also. And if the structure is given, we can write the name also. That we are going to study in today's session. Okay. So, first, we can go to the basic thing that we learned in our class 10 and class 9. That is, the organic compounds are classified into two sections. That is, saturated and unsaturated. Can you tell what is saturated compound and unsaturated compound? That is a very basic thing that we need to know in class 12 and 11th. We already learned in class 10. So, what is saturated and unsaturated compound? Can anyone comment? So, what is saturated and unsaturated? Okay. What is mean by saturated? Saturated compound means carbon-carbon containing a single bond or carbon-hydrogen containing a single bond between them is known as saturated compound, and they are also known in the name alkane. Okay, so what does it mean by saturated compound? Contains only C single bond or CH single bond between them. They are also known as alkane, and their name is ending with the name ANE, that is alkane. And they have a general formula. The general formula, what is the general formula of alkane? What is the general formula of alkane? Can anyone comment the formula of alkane? Cn. If C is n time, how many hydrogens will be there in an alkane? 2n plus 2. That we can check how it is coming. Okay. Is it double bond? Saturated. Saturated. Carbon-carbon containing only a single bond is known as what? Saturated hydrocarbon, and we can check how it is coming. Saturated hydrocarbon. This is the basic thing that we need to know before going to class 11 and 12. Okay, so saturated hydrocarbon means carbon-carbon containing a single bond between them, or carbon-hydrogen also having a single bond between them are known as saturated hydrocarbons. Okay, and the main thing is that they are also known in the name alkenes. ALKANE, and their name is ending with ANE. Don't forget that the name will be ending with ANE. Yes, very good. The correct formula is given. Like Cn, H2n plus 2 is the correct general. If carbon is n times, so hydrogen will be 2n plus 2. That means double the number of carbon plus 2. Okay, then. How their name is ending? Their name is ending with ANE, that is alkane. Saturated compounds name will be ending with ANE. That we need to learn. That is the nomenclature. That is ANE. Okay. Now, and the general formula also we learn now. Cn H how many times? 2n plus 2. Right? So we can check how many carbons are there, how many hydrogen atoms are there, and how we can give the name. Before that, we should know the naming. If there is only one carbon atom, general thing we are going to learn, if there is only one carbon atom, the name will be meth. Okay, if there is only one carbon atom, the name will be meth. Then, if there is two carbon atom, what will be the name? You already learned these things, no? What will be the name? There is two carbon atom. One is meth, two it will be what? Eth. Then, if it is 3, it will be prop, and 4 means it will be but. So up to 10 we should learn. Okay, so meth, eth, prop, but. Then if it is 5, it will be what? Pent. 6, it will be hex. 7, hept. 8 we all know, right? In maths also. After 5 it is very easy. We have learned polygons, right? The same thing we are going to learn here also. If 5 side is there, what? It is pentagon. Like that. Yes, very good, very good. So methane, ethane, propane, they have already said the name of the alkanes. Yes, like that. Pent, hex, hept. Then 8 will be what? Oct. 9 it will be non. And 10 it will be dec. So up to this, we should learn. So from carbon 1 to carbon 10, these are the general names that we should use in alkene, alkene and alkyne. So alkene is clear, right? So alkene means carbon-carbon containing single bond between them, or carbon-hydrogen containing single bond between them are known as saturated hydrocarbon, and they are also known as alkene, and the general formula is what? CnH2n plus 2. That is, hydrogen will be double the number plus 2 of carbon. Is that clear? Okay. Then, next one, saturated is over. Now we can go to unsaturated. Okay, so what is unsaturated hydrocarbon? Unsaturated hydrocarbon is just the opposite of saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated means only single bond will be present. We know that there are 3 bonds, right? And the valency of carbon atom is what? It is 4. Carbon is a tetravalent atom. Why? Because atomic number is 6. The configuration will be like 2, 4. In the outer shell, the valence shell, only 4 electrons are present. Is it stable? No. It requires 4 more electrons for attaining stability. So it will form covalent bond with other atoms, right? So because of that, carbon can have 4 bonds around it. And that 4 bonds can be single, double or triple. Okay, it can be single, double or triple. So first we learned about the saturated. Now we are going to study about unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated means if carbon-carbon is containing a double bond between them or triple bond between them. At least one. Okay, at least one double bond or triple bond between carbon-carbon is known as what? Unsaturated hydrocarbons. And we are going to divide into double and triple. So, unsaturated is divided into 2, that is alkene and alkyne. Check the letters. Don't change the spelling. Okay, alkene and alkyne. Okay. So, unsaturated hydrocarbons are classified into 2 based on the bond present between carbon-carbon. And if it is double bond, they are known as alkene. And if it is triple bond, it is known as alkyne. So, we can check the definition. The definition of alkene. Carbon contain at least how many bonds? At least 1 C double bond C bond. That is double bond. And the general formula that we can learn in detail, the general formula will be carbon n times, hydrogen will be 2n times. That is the double the number of carbon. Hydrogen will be the double the number of carbon atom. Okay. Then, next one, the hybridization. Hybridization, things that we learned only in class 11, not in class 10. There are 3 types of hybridization we learned. Main, 3 and 5 we learned, right? SP, SP2, SP3. If all the bonds are single around the carbon atom, it will be SP3. If it is double, what is hybridization? Can you comment? If it is double, the hybridization will be what? It is known as SP2 hybridization. Okay, then. And it is more reactive. Why it is more reactive than alkane, that we can learn now. Alkenes means what? Carbon, double bond, carbon. At least carbon, double bond, carbon is present. Okay. So, in the alkenes, the general formula is, the first main point is, if carbon is n time, hydrogen will be double the number of carbon, that is 2n. Carbon n time, hydrogen it will be 2n times. Is that okay? Now, the thing is that hybridization. Hybridization means there are 3 types of hybridization. We should know main 3, that is. What are the main 3 hybridizations? SP3, SP2 and SP hybridizations are there. SP3 hybridization means what? Yes, very good. SP2 is hybridization in the alkene. And what is meant by SP3 hybridization? SP3 hybridization means all the bonds are single around the carbon. If it is double bond, it will be SP2, and if it is triple bond, it will be SP hybridization. First learn the base. Okay, hybridization, if it is single, it will be SP3. If it is double, it will be SP2. If it is triple, it will be SP. So for example, we can draw like this. C having 4 single bonds around it, and we can mark here hydrogen or R group. Okay, So just look at the carbon. The carbon is having 4 bonds and the 4 bonds are single. If the 4 bonds are single, the hybridization of the carbon atom will be, what will be the hybridization? Can you tell what will be the hybridization of this carbon? Carbon is having 4 single bonds. So what will be the hybridization of this carbon atom? Anyone? All 4 bonds are single. So what will be the hybridization? I have wrote here no. sp3. sp3 means if the carbon atom is having all 4 bonds are single, then the hybridization will be sp3 hybridization. So we can mark here sp3. Got it? So alkane, ANE. Alkanes are sp3 hybridized. sp3 hybridization. Yes, very good. sp3 hybridization. Now we can move to the alkene. Alkene, C double bond C. That is C double bond C, at least one double bond between carbon-carbon. So here, double bond is present. If there is a double bond on the carbon atom, what will be the hybridization? It will be sp3, sp2 or sp. What will be the hybridization? Can you tell? If it is double, what will be the hybridization? If carbon atom is having a double bond on it, the hybridization will be what? sp2. This carbon and this carbon will have hybridization sp2. This is the basic thing that we should know, and it can be asked in our NEET, JEE competitive exam, and these competitive exams are very, very important because it's class 12 mark. It's our scoring class, scoring grade. Okay, so these marks are considered for our higher studies. So it is very, very important to learn the basic. Then only we can crack the competitive exams like NEET and JEE. So we should start from the basic, like we should make a foundation. Then only we can move to the further stages. Okay, so is that clear? Then next one we can discuss about the triple bond. If carbon is having a triple bond, what will be the hybridization? The hybridization will be sp hybridization. S and P will be having equal character. That means 50-50 character will be there. Okay, got it? Clear? Then, so we can come back to our topic, that is alkene. Alkene means what? Carbon, carbon having at least one double bond between them, and their name will be ending with ENE, ENE. And the general formula is, if carbon is N time, hydrogen will be how many times? Double the number of carbon. And one more thing is that C double bond C. If it is double bond, it will not undergo any kind of substitution reaction. It will mainly undergo which kind of reaction? Addition reaction. In class 10, we learned about two kind of reaction, that is substitution reaction and addition reaction. Can you recall what is substitution reaction and what is addition reaction that we learned in class 10? Class 11 also we learned about the substitution and addition reaction, right? What is substitution reaction? If one teacher is absent in the class, what will happen? Another teacher will come to her place and will do her duty, right? And one teacher will be substituting the other teacher if she is not there. Like that, we can replace one atom with another atom. That is known as substitution or replacement, like a displacement. Same thing can happen in the case of which one? Saturated or unsaturated? Can you comment it? Saturated or unsaturated will undergo substitution reaction. Just recall the thing that we learned in class 10. In substitution reaction, which hydrocarbon will undergo substitution reaction? What's mean by substitute or substitution? Replacing one atom with another atom, or one group with another group. Displacement, like a displacement reaction. Which one will undergo substitution reaction? Substitution is only undergone by saturated hydrocarbon. That means alkanes. Alkanes will undergo substitution reaction. Note it. Okay. Alkanes will undergo substitution reaction. For example, we can take methane, CH4. All are single bonds, 4 hydrogen atoms around the carbon atom, and it is going to substitute with a chlorine molecule in the presence of sunlight. CH4 is going to substitute in the presence of sunlight. What will happen? Chlorine molecule means 2 chlorine will be there. 1 chlorine will substitute 1 hydrogen atom, and the product will be 3 hydrogens will be there, 1 hydrogen will be removed from there, in the place Cl will be coming. And 1 hydrogen along with the Cl. It will be removed as HCl as a byproduct. Okay, so one atom is substituted by other atom. This kind of reactions is only undergone by alkanes or saturated compounds. Okay, now in the case of alkene, it won't undergo substitution reaction. It will undergo only addition reaction, and it is very, very important in our class 12. We are going to learn lot of addition reaction. What is by addition? Adding, that we know, we already learned in maths, right? Adding, subtracting, like that. In addition reaction, we are going to add atoms or molecules to the double bond or triple bond. So what will happen? When we add an atom to the double or triple bond, it will change into, if double, it will change to single. If it is triple, triple will change into double. Then double will change into single. That means converting unsaturated compounds into saturated compound. That is meant by addition reaction. Adding. Adding what? Adding atom, molecules or ions. Mainly atoms or molecules to double or triple bond. Then the double or triple bond will be converted into single bond. That is converting unsaturated into saturated compounds. Is that clear? Okay. Okay. So we can just take an example for alkene. The simplest one, CH2, double bond CH2. And I'm going to add a hydrogen molecule to it. What will happen? Here double bond is there. Hydrogen molecule means two hydrogen atom. We can write like this, one hydrogen here, one hydrogen here. One can be added to this carbon and one to this carbon. So the product will be like C. Already two hydrogens are there. One more hydrogen is coming, so it will become CH3. Then other carbon, two hydrogen, one more hydrogen, it will become CH3. Now look, the double is changed into single. So alkene will undergo addition reaction and the name is ending with ENE. The general formula will be CnH2n, double the number of carbon atom. Is that clear? Now we can go to the third one, third classification. Third classification is the third classification. Alkenes are over. The next one is alkynes. Alkynes. So the name will be ending with this kind of compound. The name, the nomenclature, the IUPAC naming, the name will be ending with N, Y, N, E. Alkyne. Okay, Y, N, E. And the general formula will be, if carbon is N time, hydrogen will be double the number minus 2. 2n minus 2. Carbon N, hydrogen 2n minus 2. Okay. Got it? Now, same thing like happened in alkene. Alkynes are also undergoing addition reaction. For example, we can take C triple bond C. What is by alkene? Having at least one triple bond between two carbon atoms. So it is an alkene. Alkyne, it is going to add with hydrogen molecule. So what will happen here also? One hydrogen will be added to this carbon and one hydrogen will be added to this carbon. So it will change into what? CH2, CH2. If addition is taking place, suddenly the triple will break into double. So here it is triple bond. The triple will be break and changed into double bond, that is CH2 double bond CH2. So we got a double bond alkene. Again it will go undergo addition reaction, then again it will change into single bonded saturated compound. Clear? So addition reactions are used for converting unsaturated compounds into saturated compound, and it is only undergone by alkenes and alkynes. Saturated will undergo only substitution reaction. Clear? Okay. So this is the general thing that we already discussed, like the naming. Now we are going to start the rules for naming the organic compounds. We are coming into the topic, that is organic compounds nomenclature and IUPAC. There are a lot of rules that we already learned, but in 10th standard we haven't learned any kind of rules, like general rules only we learned. But in 11th we have learned lot of rules. In 12th we will follow the rules and we will be naming the big molecules, big organic compounds. Okay, so we can start from the basic rule, that is the basic thing that we need to know. So which is the first rule for naming alkane? We are starting with alkane and we can discuss alkene and alkynes also. Okay, so the first one is the rule, select the longest carbon chain. Select the longest carbon chain is our first rule. Then next rule is number the chain. First select the longest chain, then number the chain like 1, 2, 3. How many carbons are there? Up to that you can number. Okay, then after numbering, identify and name the substituents. That means locants. If there is any branch, we should identify and number them, and they should get it the lower number. That we can do. Okay. Then next one, follow the alphabetic order and write the name like position, substituents, and end with A and E. That we can do. So we can go with the first rule. We are starting the topic, that is nomenclature. The first rule is, if we got an organic compound, the structure of organic compound, the first thing that we need to do is identify the longest carbon chain. We can go through all ways like straight, like branch. If branch is that, we should go through that way, and we should count the number of carbons and identify the longest chain, and which is having the longest chain, that will be our PC. PC means what? Parent chain. Okay, or parent main chain. So the longest carbon chain in the molecule is identified. That is our first rule. So we can start. So two compounds are given as examples. Okay, so we can start with the first one. CH3 So this is our question, first question. Okay, in the first question, a chain is given with branches there. So the first rule is that if a compound is given, we should identify the longest chain. Okay, in the longest chain, we should count the number of carbon first. First, we can take the longest chain. Which will be the longest chain? First, we can go straight. First thing, we should go in the straight way only. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If we go straight, we will get 9 carbon atoms. Straight way. Okay, this one. This way we will get 9. Okay, the next one. We are going this way. 1, 2, 3. It stopped there. Only 3. Then we can come through this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that possible? 8. No need. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If we come like this, also we will get 9. So which is the longest chain? We got 9, we got 3, and we got 8 also. So which number we should choose here? The longest chain number we should choose, that is 9. That will be our longest chain, and take it in a straight manner. Okay, or like a straight line. Got it? Okay. So that's our straight chain. The first rule is identify the chain. Got it? Then next one, the numbering is done in such a second rule, very important rule. First rule is that clear? First rule is identify the longest chain, and we should count the number of carbon atoms in that structure and take the longest chain, not the smallest one. Take the longest chain. So first rule is over. Then we are going to the second rule. Which is the second rule? What's the second rule? Just read. What is the second rule? The numbering is done in such a way that the branched carbon atoms get the lowest possible number. And we should, the first thing is that numbering should be done from left to right and right to left. Both manner we should do the numbering. And while numbering, if there is any branch, the branch should get the least number. That is the lowest number. That is the rule 2. Got it? What's the rule 2? While numbering, the branch should get the lowest number. So we can start. We are going to number. Can you see the branches here? Which are the branches? We have 2 branches here, right? These are our 2 branches. 1 branch is here and 1 branch is here. And this is our PC. This is our PC. PC means what? The parent chain, the longest chain. We can write here PC. PC means the parent chain or the longest chain. Got it? Okay. Now, we are going to give number from left to right and right to left, and while numbering, the branches should get the least or lowest number. So, while numbering, we can check. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Left to right, it is over. Now we can start from right to left. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now look at the numbers for the branches. The first branch got two numbers. Which are the two numbers? 2 and 8. This branch got 4 and 6. So, which number we should choose? The first one we got 2, 6. Opposite manner we got 4, 8. Now, compare the numbers. We should take the smallest numbers. We got two set of numbers. That is, which are the two set of numbers that we got? First case we got 2 and 6. And the second case we got 4 and 8. Now, look at the two set of numbers. Which is the smallest one? Which is the smallest one? Okay. Can you tell the answer for this one? Which number we should take? We got two set of numbers, 2, 6 and 4, 8. Out of this, we should choose the smallest numbers. That will be 2 and 6. Compare the two sets. Here 2 and 4, right? Out of this, which is the smallest one? 2. Then 6 and 8. 6 is the smallest one. So, we should choose this one. 2 and 6. Got it? So, the numbering is done in such a way that the branch carbon atom gets the lowest possible number. So, we already done this one. We have got the two numbers. The two numbers we got 2 and 6. And the opposite manner we got 4 and 8. Okay. Now, we can go to some questions and how we can check which order we should follow. And one more rule is there. Lower number is given to the one coming first in the alphabetical list. And one more thing is there, the lower number should be given to the branch which is having the first alphabet. Like met, et. Et should get the lowest number. Okay, got it? So we can start from some compounds. This is the last one. This is the main thing, that is the lower number is given to the one coming first in the alphabetical listing. And the branches, we should take the branch and just check the name of the branch. If the branch is having the least alphabetical listing, it should get the lowest number. So we can start from first question, that is this is the simplest one. How we will give name for this compound? You can write the name of the compound in the comment section. Just do it fast. This is the simplest one. How we will give the name for this compound? What will be the name of this compound? It's very, very easy. Which was the first rule? First rule is identify the longest chain. Then first rule is over. The second one is that if any branch is there, the branch should get the lowest number or least number. You can start from left to right and right to left. Opposite manner we should give number. Then the branch should get the lowest number. So start numbering, and before that identify the longest chain. Which will be the longest chain here? Better to take the straight chain. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that okay? Then opposite also 5. Now, if we come through this way, only 1, 2, 3 is the 3. Then, if we come through this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This way, we will get 5. Straight also, we will get 5. So, which will be our parent chain or the longest chain? Which will be the longest chain? 5 or 3 we want to take? 2 case we got 5, 1 case we got 3. And the thing is that always choose the longest chain as a straight one. That will be this one. Okay. So we got our parent chain. Now we identified one branch is present there, CH3. What is the name of that branch? The main branch we should learn is one is CH3 group. CH3 branch, it's known as methyl group. And the other one is CH2, CH3. If 2 is there, what is the name? 2 carbon, it is eth. That is ethyl. If 3, it will be propyl. 4 is there, it will be butyl. So first learn the two main thing, that is methyl and ethyl group. So CH3 group is known as methyl group. Okay. Methyl group. Now we identify the branch. A branch is here. Right? Now give number from left to right and right to left. Okay. So while numbering, we can start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now look at the numbers that branch got. Which are the numbers? The branch got 2 and 4, right? Branch got 2 numbers, 2 and 4. And out of this, we should choose the least number, which is the lowest number. Comparing 2 and 4, which will be the lowest number? 2 is the lowest number, right? So we are going to take 2 as the number for the branch. So now we are going to start the nomenclature according to the rules set by IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, have set up these rules, and following the rules, we are going to give the name. And before that, we should check the parent chain. Is there any double bond? Is there any triple bond? All the bonds are single. If all the bonds are single, the name is ending with ANE. If all the bonds are single, the name is ending with alkane, ANE. Okay, now we can write the name of this compound. While writing the compound, main chain, that is the parent chain, will be last. And if there is any branch, the branch name will be written first. Okay, so second position, what is there? CH3 group is there. If second position is CH3 group is there, first we are going to write that. First write the number, then give a hyphen. Second position, what is present? CH3 is present. CH3 name is methyl. So branch is over. Second position, a methyl group is present. Now we are going to write the main chain name. That is the longest chain. How many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means what? Pent. If there are 5 carbon atoms, the name will be like pent. So we can write that. 2-methyl is over. Pent. Then all the bonds are single. The name will be ending with what? If all the bonds are single, the name will be ending with what? It's a saturated hydrocarbon. Its name will be ending with ANE. 2-methyl pentane. Got it? 2-methyl pentane. This is a basic thing that we learned in class 10. Now we are going to learn with more branches. In one position, 2 branches, like that. So the basic thing is over. Now we can go to the next one. So this is the next question. First, what we want to do, just comment the name of this compound. Can anyone do this? Just try to do. A compound is given. First, identify the longest chain. Give number. So first we can go to the straight way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is the longest one that we got here. Now we can go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need to take that. It is smaller than 7. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not possible. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If we come this way also, we will get 7. Anyway, the longest one is what? 7. So we can take the straight chain. That is a 7 one. Now we can give number. and we identify lot of branches here, right? Which are the branches present here? One branch is here, here, and here. And we got 3 branches here, right? And while numbering, what we want to do, the branches should get the lowest number. Okay, so number it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Opposite also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now look at the numbers that branches got. Which are the numbers the branches got? Which are the numbers? 2. Opposite time, it is 6. Here both cases it is 4. So we can take 2 and 4 are the branch numbers. Okay, so we can write, start from the smallest one. Second position, a methyl group is there. And how many methyl groups are there? And that is the next rule that we are going to learn. If 2 branches are present and at the same position, we should repeat the numbers that much times. Like second position, 2 branches are there. So the number should be written 2 times. Got the next rule? 2 branches are present at the second position. So the number 2 is repeated like 2 times. So write 2, then use a comma, again 2. Then give a hyphen. Then how many branches are there? 1, 2. Okay, 2 comma 2 is over. Then again if we move to fourth position. Fourth position also has a branch, right? 4. So we can mark here 2 comma 2 because all the branches are same. So we can write the numbers together. 2, 2, then again 4. So we mentioned the position of the branches 2 comma 2 comma 4. Then give a hyphen. Then what is the name of the branch? It is CH3. The name of the branch will be methyl group. Okay, and how many methyls are there? 1, 2, 3. If there are 2 methyl, it will be like di, 3 tri, like 4 it will be tetra. Like that we should give the numbers. So 2 comma 2 comma 4, 3. 3 means we should use the name tri. Tri methyl. 2 comma 2 comma 4, tri methyl, and the longest chain has 7 carbon atoms. So the 7 means what will be the name? The ending name will be what? Hep. Heptane. Trimethyl heptane. Why it is ending with ANE? Because all the bonds are single bond. If it is single bond, the name is ending with ANE. Got it? So if many branches are there and the same position, the number should be written as much as like the times of the branches. We should write like 2 comma 2 comma 4. Got that? 2 comma 2 comma 4 and mention the number of the branches, that is 3. 3 means use the word tri. Trimethyl heptane. Hep means total 7 carbons in the parent chain. Okay. Then next question. We can apply the next rule here. That is, if different branches are there, what we should do? If different branches are there, the lowest number we should give according to the alphabetical listing. That means if methyl and ethyl are present, the ethyl should get the least number and methyl should get the next number. Like that we should do the numbering. Okay. So this is a question. Try to do this question. Just give the number, identify the parent chain, give number for the branches, and the branches according to the alphabetical order, give the number, and the number should be least for the coming alphabetical listing, coming first. Okay. So what will be the answer for this one? So first we can identify the longest chain. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If we go straight, we will get 7. Then if we go like this, it will be only 3. Then we can start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No need, it's only 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Anyway, the total number is what? 7. So we can take the straight chain 7. Okay, so give number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Opposite also give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, identify the branches. There are two different types of branches. One is CH3 group. The name of the CH3 group is what? A methyl group. Name of CH3 group is methyl. And the other one is CH2 CH3 group. It is known as ethyl group. Ethyl. Now, check the first alphabet of both the branches. One is M and the other is E. And which is coming first? M or E is coming first in the alphabetical listing. E is coming first in the alphabetical listing. So, ethyl group should get the least number by numbering. Now, check the numbers. One is 2, 5 and other is 3, 6. So, which we should take here? 3, 6 or 2, 5 while numbering. The thing is that according to the alphabetical order, the branch should get the lowest number. So, third position and fifth position. E is coming first. So, 3 and 5 while comparing. 3 is the least one. So, the name will be what? 3-ethyl. First, we want to write the alphabetical order name, that is third position and ethyl group is there. So, the name will be like 3-ethyl. Then, one more branch is there. The other branch is at sixth position. Sixth position, which is the branch present here? A methyl group, CH3 group. So, 3-ethyl. Then, again give a hyphen, 6-methyl. So, the branches are over. 3-ethyl, 6-methyl. Now, write the parent chain name. That is, total 7 carbons are there. The parent chain name will be what? 7 means what? Heptane. All bonds are single. So, the name will be ending with ANE, heptane. Got it? So, we have discussed alkanes with branch, one branch, two branch and different branches. And we learned to give the positions also. And if the same branches are repeating, what we should do? We should write the numbers like the repeating times. If 3 is there, like tri. If 4 are the tetra, 2 di. Clear? Now, we can go to the second classification, that is alkene. Alkene means what? At least one double bond present between carbon atoms. It is known as alkene. The name will be ending with ENE. So, the simplest one we can take is CH2 double bond CH2. CH2 double bond CH2. Can you tell the name of CH2 double bond CH2? Just count the number of carbon. If double bond is there, what will be the answer? Tell. Comment it. 2 carbon atoms are there. If double bond is present, what will be the name of this compound? 2 carbon means what? Eth. Double is there. We will end it with ENE, that is ethene or ethene, like that. Okay. Now we can go to the complex organic compound. This is the smallest one that we learned in class 10, right? Now we can go to the big molecule, big compound, that is CH3, CH2, CH, double bond, CH, CH2, CH3. This is somewhat a longer molecule, longer compound. So, just look at the structure. Identify the bond present between the carbon atom. Is it single, double or triple? According to the single, double and triple, we are going to give the name for these compounds. Okay, so identify the bond, then check whether it is alkene, alkane or alkyne. Okay. So, what will be the name? Anyone got? First, what we there is no branch, so no need of any confusions. Just give the number, and here we are going to learn the other rule, that is, if double or triple bond is present, that double or triple bond should get the least number while numbering. Okay, and the numbering should be done from left to right and right to left, and while numbering, the double bond should get the least number. That is the next rule according to the IUPAC. Okay, so we can give a number like, start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If there is any doubt, you can do a message in the comment box, okay? What's the doubt? Tell. Okay, so we have given the number. Now, look at the double bond, and double bond got some numbers, right? So, the numbers, this double bond is shared between these two carbon atoms, and we should check the numbers for both. Okay, here 3, 4, here also 3, 4. And we got the numbers, set of number like 3, 4, 3, 4. And out of that, choose the least number. While comparing 3 and 4, which is the smallest number, 3 is the smallest number. So, we can take 3 as the number. Now, identify the longest chain. Which is the longest chain here? How many carbons are present in the parent chain? Or the longest chain? Only 6 carbon atoms are present. 6 means the name will be what? Hex. Okay. Now, we are going to learn the rule. Be careful. First, write the parent name, that is hex. Then, third position, 3, 4, double bond is there. Comparing 3 and 4, 3 is the smallest one. Take 3. Give a hyphen, write 3. Hex 3. Third position, a double bond is present. To show that this compounds contain a double bond, the name should end with ENE. That is third position, a double bond is there. So, it will be ending with ENE. Hex 3 in. Got it? First, write the parent name, that is hex. Then, mention the position of the double bond. If it is the first position, no need to mention the number. But if it is not at the first position, we should mention the number. Like hex, then 3, then the number. Double bond, it will be like ENE. Got it? Hex 3 in. It is mean that hexene contain. Like third position, it is having a double bond. Got it? Clear? Now, we can go with a branch question. Okay. Now, a branch is also present. First of all, we should identify the longest chain. Without the branch, just count in which manner we are getting the longest chain. Just take the longest chain, give number and count the number for the branch that is getting the least one. Okay. So, what will be that? 1, 2, 3, like number at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Opposite also, this way it will be 3. This way also it will be 6. So, anyway it will be what? 6. 6 will be the longest chain. So, we have marked the 6. Now, we have got a branch and a double bond is also present. Now, the rule is that if branch and double bond are coming together, the priority will be given for double bond. Okay, this is the next rule. If branch and double bonds are coming together, the priority should be given for the double bond. So, if double bond is starting there, we can start numbering from that side. If double bond is starting from here, we can number it from here. Okay, so double bond is here, so we can start from this side. That is 1, 2, 3. Then this one it will be 4, 5, 6. Now, a branch is present at 5th position and double bond is here. And which number we want to take for the double bond? 4, 5, 3, 2 is there. So, we will be taking the smallest number. It will be what? 2. Okay. So, it will be 2. Now, the parent it will be 6. 6 is the parent chain. So, we are going to write. First, we want to mention the branch. If branch is there, we should write the name of the branch first. 5th position, a branch is coming. And 5th position, which is the branch here? CH3 group. CH3 group name is what? A methyl group. So, 5. Give a hyphen. Then write 5 methyl. 5 methyl. That's over. Branch section is over. Now we are going for the parent chain. How many carbons are there in the parent chain? Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. So 6 means what? Hex. Now it's not over. It's not single bond. It's double bond. If double bond is there, we should mention the position of the double bond, right? So hex, double bond is present at 4, 5, 3, 2, and out of this, which is the smallest number? 2 is the smallest number. So we are going to write hex 2 in. Second position and ene is present. Okay. So hexene. Hex is having double bond at second position, and fifth position it is having a methyl group as a friend. Okay, so fifth position a methyl group is there, second position a double bond is there, so the name will be what? 5-methyl hex 2-ene. Got it? Hex 2-ene. Yes, very good. Why it is hex 4 in it? Hex 2-ene is correct. Yes, yes, very good, very good. But you forgot to mention the branch present at the fifth position, that is 5-methyl hex 2-ene. Got it? Clear? Okay. So, almost we discussed alkene, and one more thing is remaining, that is alkyne. That also we can discuss. What is it by alkyne? Alkyne means carbon containing at least one triple bond between them. That is C, triple bond C. That is alkyne. And the general formula is what? The general formula is carbon N times hydrogen. It will be 2N minus 2, and the name will be ending with YNE. Carbon containing at least triple bond between two carbon atoms. The general formula is CN H2N minus 2, and the name will be ending with YNE. The same set of rule we are going to apply for the triple bond. There is no change like double and triple. Like we should identify the longest chain. If double or triple is present, the double or triple position should be marked first. That is, it should get the lowest number. Okay, so we can start with the basic one. CH, triple bond CH. Just count the number of carbon, only 2 are there. If there is only 2, what will be the name? Eth. And no need to mention the position. Why? It's the first position. 1, 2. Anyway, 1, 2. So no need to mention the position. If it is triple, the name will be ending with what? YNE. That is ethyne. Ethyne. Got it? Clear? Then next one. This is the next question. So simplest one. Very easy to do. Only a long chain is there, no branches, but a triple bond is present. If a triple bond is present, while numbering, the triple bond side should get the lowest number. So start from this side or that side. We want to start from that side, right? Because it is closer to that end. So we can start from numbering here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite also we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anyway, the triple bonds are getting the number 3, 4 and 2, 3. So out of this, which number should we choose? 3, 4 or 2, 3? Which is the smallest number? 2 is the smallest number, right? So we can write the main parent chain name. Only 5 carbon atoms are there. If there is only 5 carbon atom, the name will be what? What will be the name? If there is only 5 carbon atom, the name will be what? Pentagon, right? In maths we learned if there is 5 side, it will be pentagon. So in chemistry it will be pentane, pentine, like that. Okay, so pent, but triple is present. If triple is present, what we should do? We should mention the position. Pent, just give a hyphen. Okay, give a hyphen, then mention the position. 3, 4, 2, 3. Out of this, take the smallest number. 2 is the smallest number. So write pent hyphen 2 hyphen triple bond. The name will be ending with YNE. Got it? If triple bond is present, the name will be ending with YNE. Pent 2-ine. Okay, so we have done a basic revision like alkane, alkene and alkyne that we learned in 10th and 11th. Now we are going to learn the nomenclature with functional group. That is very, very important. We learned lot of functional group in class 10. Like 5 functional group we learned in class 10. Then more than we learned in class 11. More than 10 we learned in class 11, like different functional groups with branches, many branches, right? So we can start the nomenclature of organic compound containing functional group. What's my functional group? Can anyone tell what is functional group? Functional group decides the function of the organic compound when it is present in the formula, right? If an organic compound contains a functional group, its full character will be decided by the functional group. And there are a lot of functional group, like what are the functional group? Which are the functional group that you know? Which are the functional groups that you know? Can anyone tell? Nomenclature of organic compounds with functional group. Here also there are a set of rules. There are some set of rules that we should follow according to the IUPAC system. Okay, so they have set a rules that we should follow while naming the organic compounds that is having some functional group along with it. If functional group is present, that whole character is decided by the functional group. Like alcohol is there, carboxylic acid, ketone, aldehyde, then halo groups like chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine, like different halogens are there. Then ether is there, ester is there, like lot of functional groups are present. Okay, if these functional groups are present along with the organic compound, its whole character, it will be decided by this functional group. Got it? So, there are some set of rules according to the IUPAC. Here also, we should take the longest chain of carbon atom containing the functional group. While numbering, we should take the longest chain. Okay, the longest chain that containing the functional group. If alcohol is present, that chain should be present as the longest chain. That should be taken as the parent chain or the longest chain. Got it? Then, the longest chain of carbon atom containing the functional group is numbered in such a way that the functional group is attached the carbon atom possessing the lowest number in the chain. And the order of decreasing priority is also given. We have discussed that lot of functional groups are there. Like acid is there, alcohol is there, aldehyde is there, ester is there, then ether is there, halogen, amino groups, then keto group, cyano groups, amides, like lot of what? SO3H group, sulfonic acids. Okay, like lot of groups are present. So there is an order of priority. According to that only we can give name. So if COH and OH are present together, we should give priority for what? Use this order, learn this order. This is very, very important for our class 12. Because in our class 12, there are total 5 organic chapters. In 5 organic chapters, we will be learning like similar organic reactions. You will be confused because all the reactions look similar. In all these 5 chapters, we will be learning like Friedel-Crafts alkylation, acylation, nitration, sulfonation, like similar reaction we are going to learn in the 5 chapters. Okay, so and there also we are learning about the IUPAC nomenclature things in amines, aldehydes, ketone, phenol, carboxylic acid, haloalkenes, haloarine. These are the 4 main chapters and biomolecules are also there. So in these chapters, we will be learning the IUPAC nomenclature. So this is very, very important. According to priority, we will be naming the products. We will be doing the reaction. What is a reaction? Reagents react together to form a product, right? A substrate will be that it is attacked by a reagent. Like attacking reagent will be attacking and will form a product. So that product will be giving a name according to the IUPAC. So while giving the name, we should follow which order? This priority order. According to the priority order, we are going to give name. Got it? So the order of decreasing priority of some functional group is first one, which is the main one, COOH group. What is the name of the COH group? Carboxylic acid group. COH. Second one is SO3H, then COR group. R means what? An alkyl group. R is an alkyl group. Then COCl, acid chlorides. Then instead of OH, this is replaced by Cl only. That means acid chloride group. Next one, CONH3. CN group. CHO group is very, very important. That is aldehyde group that we will learn. Aldehyde, ketone, acid, alcohol, amino groups are very, very important. Okay, then ketone group. CO group means what? Ketone. Then NH3 group, amino group. Then this one we learn now. C double bond and C single bond. Which is that? Double bond and triple bond and single bond we learn. Triple will be also there. Okay. So, triple, double and single. Single will be given the least one. Least priority. Got it? So, we can go to the naming with the functional group. CH3, CH, CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH2, this is the question. So, in this question, first we should identify the longest chain. And the longest chain If functional group is present, the functional group should get the least number, like the rules that we followed for the double and triple bond. Same rule we are going to follow here also. If a functional group is present, the functional group should get the least number. Left to right and right to left, just do the numbering, and while numbering, this functional group should get the lowest number. So first identify the functional group where it is present. Can you do the comment? Just write the answer in the comment section. Just try to do. It's very, very easy. That we already learned in class 10. No. What will be the answer? So we can start the numbering, right? Now it will be more easy for you. Just do the numbering. I reduced one branch for you. Just do the numbering. The functional group should get the lowest number. So we can start from here, right? 1, 2, and these kind of nomenclature questions are very, very important for your NEET and JEE. And this is a just basic one. You will be getting the complex one for your exam, competitive exams. So start from the basic, practice the questions with branch, with functional group, with the single, double, triple bonds, everything. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total 8 carbons are in the longest chain, right? If we go this way, it's not possible. It's a functional group. Anyway, it will be what? 8 is the longest one. Then, opposite also we should give number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, look at the functional group. Which is our functional group? OH is our functional group. Now, the OH is getting 2 numbers. One is 6 and the other one is 3. Out of the 6 and 3, which one we should choose here? The rule is that, learn the rule is very, very important. The functional group should get the least number while numbering from left to right and right to left. Got it? So, it will be like 6 and 3. 2 numbers are there, 6 and 3. And out of the 6 and 3, 3 is the smallest one. We should write only 3 here. So, we have chosen 3 for the name. Okay. Then, in the same line, a branch is present at the 6th position. Don't interchange, okay? If you are taking this line, only this number we can take. If you are taking this line, this number, like that only. So, 3rd position OH, 6th position a methyl group. Why we choose 3 here? Because the functional group should get the lowest number, least number. Got it? Now, we can write the name. While writing the name, the branch name will be written first. So, 6th position a methyl group is there. So, 6th position CH3 means what? A methyl group. So, first we can write 6 hyphen methyl. 6 methyl. Now write the parent chain. How many carbon atoms are there? Total 8 carbon atoms are there. 8 means what? Oct. 6 methyl oct. Then oct, actually it is octane, but in the case of octane, a functional group is present at the 3rd position. 3 is having an OH group, right? So, octane. No need to write E here. Strike the E. Okay, strike the E. Just stop at octane. Then, write the position of the functional group. Write the position of the functional group, which is the position here. 3. Octane, 3. Now, we are going to the functional group. This is the functional group here, alcohol group. If alcohol group is coming, the name will be ending with ol, alcohol, ol, O-L. Got it? Okay. So, the name will be ending with ol. Clear? So, what is the name? 6-methyl octane. 3rd position and ol is there. What is meant by ol? Alcohol. OH is present. So, we have mentioned that also octane 3-ol. Clear? So, if a functional group is present, the functional group should get the least number. Okay. And if branch is there, branch should be also mentioned in before that parent chain name. That is 6-methyl octane. 3rd position and ol is there. So, clear? So, functional group name that we should know, like the main functional group we can take. If it is COH, what is the name? The name will be ending with, learn this thing. You have forgot you already learned in class 10, in 11 also. If you're coming from class 10, this is very, very important thing. Just take your textbook, refer it again, because it is very, very important for our class 11 and 12. Okay, the functional groups. If COH is present, the main functional group, COH functional group is there, the name will be ending with oic acid, like carboxylic acid. Okay, then next functional group is OH. OH functional group. OH functional group means alcohol hydroxyl functional group. If hydroxyl, alcohol, it's also known as hydroxyl functional group. If alcohol is present, the name will be ending with OL, O-L. Then next important one is CHO. Okay, so CHO group means aldehyde functional group. If CHO group is present, it is known as aldehyde functional group, and the name will be ending with al, aldehyde, al. Okay, the next one is ketone, C double bond O. If C double bond O is present, it is known as a ketone functional group, and the name will be ending with O-N-E. And the pronunciation is like on, ketone. Got it? Then next, the fifth one is halogens. Halo functional group, and the main four halogens are chlorine, fluorine, bromine, and iodine. And their name will be written first, not at the last like the other functional group. Their name will be written at the first like chloro, fluoro, bromo, iodo. And their name will be like halo. O. The ending will be like halo, chloro, fluoro, bromo, and iodo. So these are the main 5 functional groups that we learn in class 10. In class 11, we have learned extra functional group like ester, ether, then amino groups. Okay. So, study this functional group. Now, we can go to the other thing, like NH3 is there. NH3 means what? Amino group. Amino group. Okay, amide is there, like many acid chlorides are there. So, these are the main functional group that we should learn. Okay. Now, we can go to the next question. Like one simple one. CH3, CH2, CH2, COCH3. This is a very simple one. First, just check the longest chain. If any functional group is present, the functional group should get the lowest number. Here, one functional group is present. Which is the functional group present here? Can anyone comment? Which is the functional group present here that we now discussed? Just discussed. Which is a functional group present in this compound? Can anyone tell? It should be the functional group here. CO. CO group is known as what? CO functional group is known as ketone. Keto group, and the name will be ending with on. O-N-E. Ketone. Got it? So we can, in this compound, the name will be like, just do the numbering from left to right and right to left. Opposite also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, look at the number for the functional group, and we should choose the least number. Keto group got 4 and 2, and while comparing 4 and 2, 2 is the smallest one. So, take the smallest one, that is 2. Second position, one keto group is there. So, 2 is the smallest one. Now, take the parent chain. The parent chain contains total 5 carbon atoms. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means what? If there are 5 carbon atoms, the name will be like what? Pent. And we learned that a functional group is present. It should be ending with the name of the functional group. And mention the position of the functional group also. The functional group is present at the second position. So, write pentan. Just give a hyphen. Then second position. 2 and 4. Comparing 2 is the smallest one. Mention 2. Pentan. 2 hyphen. If ketone is present, the name will be ending with O-N-E, that is on. Pentan 2 on is the name of this organic compound. Clear? Got it? Okay. So, next one. Which is the functional group present in this compound? CH3, CH2, CHO. CH3, CH2, CHO. Only 3 carbon atoms are present and 1 functional group is there. It's a CHO group, and CHO group means what? It's an aldehyde group. Aldehyde functional group. If aldehyde functional group is present, the name will be ending with al. Al. Okay, the name will be ending with al. Now count the number of carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 carbon atoms are there. So if there are 3 carbon atoms, the name will be like what? Prop. Propan. Give a hyphen. Function group is present at the 1 and 3. That means only 1. No need to mention. If it is 1, so propan. Al. Aldehyde means Al. It will be ending with al. Propan. Al. Clear? Got it? Okay. Next one. CH3. C double bond O. CH2. CH2. CHO. This is somewhat a confusing question because 2 functional groups are present on the same compound. So what will you do here? What will you do here? Can anyone tell which will be the IUPAC rule that we are going to follow here? If 2 functional groups are present together, we should follow the order of the priority, like just take the order and according to the order only we can give the name. What was the priority order? This was our order, like COH, SO3H, COR, COCl, then CuNH2, Cn, CHO, CO, OH, NH3, NH2, C double bond O, CC. C double bond, C, single bond C. Okay, so in this order, in our question, ketone is there, hydroxyl group is there, aldehyde group is there, right? CO is there and an aldehyde group is there. Where is aldehyde group? CHO group, this one. So, comparing which is having the priority here, aldehyde is having the priority. So, aldehyde should get the lowest number while numbering. Okay. So, just check the question. Here we are having 2 functional group. One is here, the other one here, right? 2 functional groups are present. And in this 2 functional group, ketone and aldehyde are present together. Just check the order of priority. That's why I told you that the order of priority is very, very important for our class 11 and 12. Without learning the order of priority, we cannot simply write the IUPAC naming. So first learn that, like just study the order while writing. With writing, you will be knowing which is coming first. Okay, so just check the question. CO is there, CHO is there. Ketone and aldehyde together, they are coming in this question. So, ketone and aldehyde together while coming, aldehyde is given the priority. Aldehyde is the main. The main one of this question is aldehyde. So, the aldehyde should get the number 1. So, we can start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, while writing, aldehyde is our priority. So, the name will be ending with aldehyde only, al only. Okay. So, 4th position, a keto group is there. If keto group is coming as second priority, learn the IUPAC rule. If keto group is coming as a second priority, its name will be like OXO. What's the other name of keto group? OXO group. Clear? Its coming will be, it will be written as OXO group. If a keto group is coming as a second priority, it will be written as what? Keto group, that is OXO group. Okay. So, and the first mention the position, like 4th position. 4th position, a keto group is present, that is 4-OXO. That is over. Now, come back to the parent chain. Which is the parent chain here? Total 5 carbon atoms are there. If total 5 carbon atoms are there, what will be the name? It will be pent, right? 4-OXO. Pent. The main function group is what? CHO. Pentan. Pentan. Al. The name of the compound will be what? 4-OXO pentan al. Got it? Now we can go to the next question. So we have discussed with two different functional groups. Now we can go to the same functional group. What will be the name of this compound? Can anyone comment the name of this compound? Just try to do. The question is that like CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. So this is our question. Two functional groups are present and the two functional groups are same functional group. So we can give number according like to our wish, like from right to left and left to right you can give number and the functional group should get the lowest numbers. Try to do that and comment the answer. What will be the name of this compound? And what is the name of the functional group present here? If C double bond O is present, it is known as what? Ketone group, and the name will be ending with ONE, ketone, on. Okay, ketone group. Okay, so we can give the number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Opposite also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Opposite also we have done the numbering. Okay. Now choose a number for the functional group. Which are the lowest numbers? In first 2 and 4. The other thing 5 and 3. Take the set of numbers. We have got two set of numbers with the two set of numbers. One is 2 and 4 and other one is what? 3 and 5. Just compare the two sets and while comparing take the lowest set of numbers, that is 3 and 5 and 2 and 4 are the, we are going to take 2 and 4. 2 and 4 are the smallest one, right? Comparing 2 and 3, 2 is the smallest one. 4 and 5, 4 is the smallest one. So we can take the number 2 and 4. So second and fourth position, if functional group is present. Which is the functional group present here? Ketone. So the name will be what? Hex. Total 6. 6 means what? Hexane. We can write hexane. All the bonds are single, so we can write hexane. Give a hyphen. Mention the functional group position. Functional group is present at which position? Second and fourth position. So write here hexane 2, 4. Hexane 2, 4. Mention the 2 position. 2 functional groups are same. So mention the position here. Okay. 2, 4. Then 2 function groups are there. Hyphen di. Why we are writing di there? Because 2, mentioning 2. 2 functional groups are present. We should mention the 2. If 3 are there, we will be mentioning like tri. That we already discussed. So 2, 4 di. And what di? What is the functional group there? Which is the functional group present there? Di. On. Okay. Hexane 2, 4 di on. Is that clear? So this is the answer for this organic compound. So if same functional groups are present, we should give number and the functional group should get the lowest number and mention di or tri before the functional group's name. Okay, got it? Then next one, CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2, 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 OH. And the other one is CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH2, CH3. Just count the number of carbons and give the lowest number for the functional group and tell what is the difference here. What will be the difference here? While numbering, the functional group should get the lowest number. Try to do and comment the answer. Just do. What will be the answer here? Got the answer? Anyone got the answer for this one? And you should tell what is happening here, what kind of isomerism is exhibited here. That isomerism section we have learned thoroughly in class 10, right? And class 11 also. So we can do just the simplest one, right? Just give number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So here it got the smallest number, right? 1 and 5. Out of this, which number we should take? 1. So first one is over. Then next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also it is 5. And the function group should get the lowest number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, look. This functional group got two numbers, 2 and 4. 2 and 4, and comparing 2 and 4, which will be the smallest one? 2 is the smallest one, so we can take the number 2. Now we can write the name of this compound. First one. First, total 5 carbons are there in the parent chain. So 5 means the name will be what? Pent. Pentan. And OH is present at the first position. 1 and 5 are coming together, right? So if it is 1, no need to mention the position. Just write the name like pentan. OH is there. It will be ending with pentanol. Okay, got it? Pentanol. No need to mention like pentan 1-ol because it is the first position. Then come back to the second one. Here we have got two numbers, 2 and 4, the functional group. Functional group, according to the IUPAC set of rules, a function according to the IUPAC set of rules, what is the thing? The function groups should get the least number. While comparing 2 and 4, 2 is the least number. So we can take 2. So naming will be what? Like, just write pentan, give a hyphen, second position, OH is there. Second position, OH is present. That means second position, OH is present, right? So second position, 2, then ol. Second position, ol is there. Pentan, 2, ol. Got it? So what is the difference here? One is pentanol and the other one is pentan 2-ol. There is only one difference in the position of the functional group. If there is a difference only in the position of functional group and same molecular formula, it is known as position isomerism. Got it? We learned isomerism. What is isomerism? They will be exhibiting same chemical and physical properties, or like the same molecular formula will be there, right? What is molecular formula? The total number of carbon, like total number of atoms, it will be same, but the structural differences will be there. Here there is a structural difference, right? What is the difference here? Here OH is present at the first position, here OH is present at the second position, right? So there is a difference in the position of the functional group, so we can call it as what? A position isomer. Got it? So that also we should learn. Along with the organic nomenclature, we should learn about the isomerism. Like different kinds of isomerism are there: position isomerism, chain isomerism, structural isomerism, metamerism. These things are very, very important for our class 11 and 12. Got it? Clear? So, next one. This is very, very important question. These kind of questions are repeatedly asked for our NEET exam. As like a previous year question, the first one we can do for the first, go for the first one. The first one, just read it. CH3, CHOH, CH2, 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 CH3. It's very, very easy. Now we have done a similar question here. So, take the question, write it. While doing the organic question, you should write, then only you will get like similar to max. If you are not writing, you can make lot of mistakes. Okay, so mind calculation is not needed here. Just write and do. Try the question, do the numbering from left to right and left to right and right to left, and the function group should get the lowest number. Okay, so we can take the first question. The first one is what? CH3, CHOH, CH2, 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 CH3. CH3, CHOH, CH2, 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 CH3 is very easy one that we have done, as similar to a NEET question. Okay, so what will be the answer here? First, find the parent chain, the longest chain. Which will be the longest chain here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. and functional group is present here. OH is a functional group and the functional group should get the least number. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So OH got second. 2 is the number for the OH. Okay. Clear? Then, now we can write the parent chain name. That is 6 is the parent one. 6 means what? Hex. H-E-X. A-N. We can stop here. Hexane. Then, second position, what is there? Second position, an alcohol, hydroxyl functional group is present. Hydroxyl functional group is present. The name will be like what? Just give a hyphen, give to, write. Alcohol is there. If alcohol is present, how we will write the name? If OH is present, the name will be ending with ol. Hexane to ol. Is that clear? Got it? Okay, so these kinds of questions are very, very important. Okay, they will be changing the position. We will be adding lot of functional group. If many functional groups are present in the same compound, we should use the priority order, the order of priority. Check the priority order and write the answer. Clear? Got it? Then, one more question is coming from the same section. Wait, that we can go for this one. Next one. Next one is CH3, CHOH, CH2, 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 COH. Here also two different functional groups are there. According to the priority, we learned that the main one, in the priority order, the main functional group is what? Carboxylic acid. So, carboxylic acid is present there. So, it will be our main, the first one. So, start numbering from there. COH, and one more functional group is present there, hydroxyl, alcohol group. It will be getting the next number. So, try to answer that. Just find what will be the answer of this name of this organic compound. Use the priority order, write the name of this compound. This is a question. CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH2, CH2. So this is our question. Okay. So in this question, two functional groups are present. That I told you, only two functional groups are present. And check the priority order. And checking the priority order, we understood that which will be coming first. Which we want to give the first position. COH and OH are coming together. If carboxylic acid and alcohol group are coming together, this carboxylic acid should be given the priority one. It's the main of our organic compound. Clear? So we can start numbering from here. Give the number 1 here. 1. Okay. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's over. No need to do the opposite numbering because the priority is from carboxylic acid. Okay. Now we can write the name. One more function group is present at the which position? Fifth position, alcohol group is there. If an alcohol group is there, it is coming as a second priority. We will be using the name hydroxy group. What is the name of OH group? So hydroxyl group. Okay. So we can write the name. So what will be the name? Anyone got the name of this organic compound? The name will be what? Fifth position, OH is present. So 5, give a hyphen, hydroxy, 5-hydroxyl. Then main chain. Total how many carbons are there in the main chain? Total 6 carbons are there. 6 means what? Total 6 we can write hex, hexane, and the main function group, which is the main function group here? COOH, that is carboxylic acid. If a carboxylic acid is present, the name will be like hexane oic acid. Got it? So these kind of questions are very, very important for our NEET exam. Okay. So don't skip these topics. This IUPAC nomenclature is our language of the chemistry. Without this, we cannot do anything in the chemistry. The reactions require the product's name. So we are doing the IUPAC nomenclature there. So it's very, very important. Got it? Okay, so we got the name 5-hydroxyhexanoic acid. The thing is that if two functional groups are coming together according to the priority order, we will be giving the number. So COH is coming as the first because it is in the first in the priority order. So we have given the number 1 there, and fifth position OH is there. If OH is coming as a second priority, the name will be starting with the name of that functional group like a branch. So fifth position, a hydroxy group is there. 5-hydroxyl, then 6. 5-hydroxy, then next one is what? 5-hydroxy, total 6 is there. That means hexanoic acid. Is that clear? Then next question, we can go for the next one. This one is very, very easy. Functional group is there, branch is there. It's a base question. Okay, try to do this one. Just check whether are you getting this one, because we already discussed the main tough level question. This is the easy level one. Just try to do whether you are getting or not. This is the basic thing that we learn in class 10. Anyone got it? So here, our functional group is present here, right? So we should start from numbering only from this side and one branch. If a bracket is given, that will be indicating the branch. Okay, so we can rewrite the question like CH3, CH2, 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 OH. Okay, clear? We have rewritten the question. Now we can give the number. If function group is present, it will be getting the least number. So we can start from here. This is the 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5. If we come through this way, we will get total 5. Now start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anyway, it is 5 only. The longest chain is 5. Now, the third position contains a branch. Which is a branch here? CH2, CH3 group. CH2, CH3 means the branch name is methyl or ethyl. What is the name of this group? This alkyl group is known as what? 2 carbon, it will be what? Ethyl group, right? You got the answer? So third position, an ethyl group is present. Okay, so third position, ethyl group is there. Now we can write the name of this compound. First write the name of the branch. Third position, an ethyl group is there. So 3 ethyl. 3 ethyl. Okay. Now write the name of the parent one. Total 5 carbons are there, and 5 carbon functional group is alcohol. The name will be ending with alcohol. Ol. Clear? Okay. Yes, ethyl. Yes, very good, very good. Very good. Okay, so 3 ethyl, then total 5 means what? Pent. Pentan. Ol. Alcohol means it will be ending with the name ol. Clear? So, we got the name of this organic compound. What is the name of this organic compound? 3 ethyl pentan ol. Clear? If functional group and branch are coming together, the functional group should get the lowest number. So, we have started from here 1. Okay, total 5 carbon, and third position, what is there? An ethyl group is present. Okay, ethyl group is present. So, 3 ethyl pent. Total 5 pentan ol. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. Next one. Very easy question. How we will write? If double and triple bonds are coming together, which is given the priority here? Can anyone write the answer for this question? It's very, very easy. Triple is coming and double is coming. What will be the answer for this one? Please do comment. What will be the answer for this compound? CH triple bond C, CH2, CH double bond CH2. If triple bond and double bond are coming together, the main will be what? Our triple bond. So the triple bond will be getting the priority 1. So we can start numbering from this side. So give number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the parent chain is 5. 5 is having single bond, triple bond, double bond, and triple bond at first position, double bond at what? Fourth position. So what will be the name? What will be the name? Just do the comment. Anyone? Anyone got the answer? If triple and double are coming together, we should give the numbering from left to right and right to left. Okay. Anyone got the answer? Opposite also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, while writing this, which should we give the priority here? Triple or double, we should give the priority. That's a question that you should do as a homework. And just check the priority order. Take your class 11 textbook and check the priority order and do the question. Okay, this is a question for you. Okay, is that clear? So, I will give you a hint that if double and triple is coming, we can give priority for the double. Try to do like that. Okay, total 5 carbon are there, double and triple are coming together. Give the number priority for 2 and then next 3, then write the name of this compound and just do the comment in this video. Under the video, just write the answer for this compound. It's very, very easy, like pent. It can be pent, 1 ine, 4 ene, or pent, 4 ene, 1 ine. 2 answers I have given you. It can just find the answer for this question. Okay, this is a homework for you. Pent, 1 ene, pent, 1 ene, then 4 ine. 2 options I am going to give you. Okay, you should find which is the answer. Pent, 1 ene, 4 ine. First option. Second option. Pent, 4 ene, 1 ine. 2 options I have given you. Just check the priority order. If double and triple are coming, which we should give the priority, then do the answer. Okay, 2 options are there. Pent 1 ene 4 ine and pent 4 ene 1 ine. Okay, try to do the question. Is that okay? Okay, now, so in this class, we have discussed everything, almost everything have covered. So, this is the basic thing. Without the organic chemistry, without the organic nomenclature, we cannot learn anything in our class 12 and class 11. It is a basic fundamental thing in our chemistry. Okay, so it's like I already told you, this is the language of our chemistry. Organic is the language of the chemistry. So the thing is that it's very, very important. It's a basic foundation thing. So start learning now itself. It will be very helpful for your further studies. The higher education, it is very, very important. So we should score more for our higher education, right? For the competitive exam like NEET and JEE, it's very, very important. So try to do solve questions, right and solve. No, just don't like do mind calculation, just write. Then do the numbering, write the answers. It will be very helpful for your further learnings. Okay, so in this class, we have discussed the basic nomenclature like the starting from our 10th class, like alkane, alkene, and alkyne, right? Okay, Then we have discussed the functional group, the main functional group, alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, halogens, and the main thing with 1, 2, 3 or 4 branches. And the branches also we have discussed. So it is very, very important for our further learning. So revise it so we can wind up today's class. Thanks everyone. Thank you. We can see in the other class. Bye-bye. We can wind up. Bye.